Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. On 8 September, in the Basilica of Don Bosco, 11 novices from Croatia, Germany, Spain, Poland and Italy made their first religious profession as Salesians of Don Bosco. In his homily, Father Juan Carlos Perez Godoy, Counselor for the Mediterranean region, who presided over the celebration, recalled the beginning of Calistani's splendid 1988 film. In the first scenes, Don Bosco as an old man reveals the secret of when, as a very young tightrope walker, right here in the meadows at the Bechi, he walked on the rope, to look straight ahead of me, not stopping, not looking one way or the other, or the emptiness under my feet, and looking straight ahead, with the gaze turned to the Lord. As part of the Continental Meeting of Salesian Works and Social Services of America, 9 to 13 of September 2024, the General Counselor for Youth Ministry, Father Miguel Angel Garcia Marquende, held a conference on the reality of youth in the world, entitled The Universe of Young People, a Photographic Report. A long question and answer session followed with the 120 participants in the meeting. The study of young people, like that of other age groups such as childhood or old age, presupposes a good knowledge of the context. Therefore, Father Garcia Marquende began with a diagnosis of the world situation based on the Global Risks Report by the World Economic Forum and on the recent studies of the American Association for the Advancement of Science, thus illustrating the global risks that have a significant impact on the economy, natural resources and young people. The Dom Bosco boarding school at the Salesian works in Zelemje and Ljubljana, Reykjavik, has regained vitality with the arrival of high school students after the holidays for years now. It has been welcoming young people who leave their families and embark on a journey of seeking knowledge, new friendships and adventures and learning for life. In the 2024-25 school year at the St. Francis de Sales Institute in Zelemje, 265 young people are accommodated, assisted by 12 educators under the guidance of the director, Father Gasper Otrin, SDB. 8 September 2024 is a historic date for Nigeria, as for the first time in a joint ceremony, the Salesians of Don Bosco in the Niger province and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians in the Mary Mother of God province gathered to witness the perpetual profession of two of the members, Cecilia Chidnema Anadi and Dieudonné de Marie Mulgoy. The Holy Mass was celebrated in the Chapel of Mary Help of Christians at the ANN Provincial House in Iju, Lagos, and was presided over by Father Gianni Ronaldi, SDB, who is marking the extraordinary visitation to the ANN province. In his homily, he urged the candidates to remain firm in their vocation, offering them words of encouragement. Be strong and do not be afraid. Bringing a light among so much darkness, this is the meaning of love. The Heart of Elisa in the Heart of Africa, project which intimately connects the dramatic story of Elisa Claps, the teenager from Potenza killed in September 1993 at just 16 years old by a young man of her acquaintance, Danilo, and whose corpse was found in the attic of the Church of the Holy Trinity 7 years later in March 2010, to that of hundreds of thousands of individuals overwhelmed by the now ongoing conflict in the east of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The initiative, carried out by the Salesian International Volunteering for Development, VIS NGO, very active in the south of the world, is dedicated to strengthening the medical dispensary that serves the resident population and a huge and ever-increasing number of refugees who crowd the displaced camp in Goma near the dispensary itself. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.